So a quick tutorial on how you can add some background colors to this one, and basically you can see that this one is only available in Elementor Pro, this filter gallery widget. You could see you have to choose multiple and then add your gallery around here, and it's only available in Elementor Pro, so use the link in description to get this. But basically once you have added all of the stuff, and you can change the color of this one, but the issue is we cannot change the background color. So let's say if I make the color to black, red to normal ones. For hover, I'll also make it to white. I'll make it something like black, I guess, like this, and the active one is black, like this. So whenever we click on this one, you can see it simply changes to that color, but we cannot add a background color to this one because there's no option for it. And the way to do it is you will need custom CSS, and obviously if you are using this one, you already have Elementor Pro. So let's first copy the normal filter CSS. Normal is simply for every single one, and let's copy it inside of the custom CSS panel. And we are basically doing selector so that it targets this one to the title. We are adding a border of black color. We are adding a margin top of 10 pixels and then border radius of 20 pixels. So if let's say if you don't want the margin, you could just remove this. It's completely not needed. So I'll just remove this from the code. Then we got our border, how much border you want, how thickness you want it, and then you could add a color around here. So if I make it red, it would be red. I'll keep it black for now. Then we got border radius. If you want to have some border radius or a lot, you could choose. But I also want a background color for this one. So I'll just simply copy this one and then paste it around here. So we got a background color. To be honest, I'll make it black. You can choose any color. Now our colors are not looking good because we have chosen black color for the text too. So let's change it to white. And active also white. So now you can see this is how it looks. I don't know what pointer is. Okay, pointer is the bottom arrow or bottom line. To be honest, I don't need that. And this is how it looks right now. And if I click on it, you could see that this is active color would be looking like this. But now we want to change the hover color to the same stuff. So let's add a hover color. And let's say I don't want this to be like black. So I'll just use this color and make this be this one. Well, let me first add the next stuff so that we know. Let me just copy this one like this, and yeah, there we go. So for the active one, which is this one we can just copy paste same stuff which we have added around here, and the background color is background color is red color, which is this one, and then border the same one. Same with for the hover one, which is when we hover on it, it should be like this. But you can see it's a bit buggier, and the reason why I can think of is because our border radius is 2 pixels around here. It needs to be same everywhere. And now you could simply just change it. So again, normal filter, so everything that should look the same. This one for hover filter, so when we hover on it, and this one is for active filter. Choose your background color, choose your border, choose your background color, choose your border. For the text color, you can simply do it from here. And yeah, that's all. I think that's all that we need. I'll add the code in description, and yeah, you could just check it and do it however you want. And if you need help, just leave a comment.